This is Lisa Cohn, editor at Microgrid Knowledge. Joining me today is Katie Sidwell. She's a simulation specialist at RTDS. Hi, Katie.
Hi, Lisa.
Can you tell me a little bit about your company and how you help people?
Sure. So RTDS Technologies is based in Winnipeg, Canada.
Mhm.
Um, we have been around since the early 1990s, and we provide real-time digital simulation equipment. So the main purpose of this equipment is to allow users to perform closed-loop testing of power system protection and control equipment.
Mhm.
So this is a very unique type of equipment testing. It essentially allows the user, whether that's a utility or a research institution or university, or even a manufacturer of microgrid control or protection equipment, it allows them to simulate their microgrid in this safe, controlled environment, connect their equipment to it, and actually test it before they deploy it out in the real world.
Is this something that's being used at labs right now?
Yeah, absolutely. So one example is the National Renewable Energy Laboratory in the US. They're using this technology to test novel equipment for in the renewable energy sphere. And
Mhm.
also various universities across the states are using it. And again, it's a great tool for microgrid testing because if you want to avoid interaction of different control and protection equipment, and prove out technology before you're actually putting it in the field, it kind of allows it to be tested in that very controllable laboratory environment.
So, what would you like prospects, potential clients to know about you?
Yeah, good question. I suppose hardware in the loop testing or closed loop testing is relatively new in the microgrid field. So I think educating people as to what this type of testing is really about and the kind of advantage that it can provide is very important. So I would tell someone that's new to RTDS technologies or real-time simulation that certain behaviors in the power system need to be captured with certain types of simulation equipment. And microgrids, because they have so much renewable energy resources, and those resources are interfaced into the grid via power electronic converters rather than traditional generation, those converters and their controls, they can behave somewhat unpredictably, whether that means they're interacting with other control systems or perhaps there are transients occurring on the grid because of them. And being able to predict that behavior is very important in the microgrid space. So I think understanding that microgrids really do introduce that kind of unknown quantity is a key part of understanding hardware in the loop testing.
Right. What are you excited about right now?
Well, microgrids in general is a very exciting area of application for us. Again, our technology has been around for 25 or more years. So originally it was more geared toward conventional power system testing applications. So microgrids is really exciting because it involves a lot of new technologies, new control strategies, so it's exciting to be able to see people innovating in that space with new products, and then being able to test those new products before they come out is a good opportunity. So I think it's really cool to see the shift toward more energy independence, and microgrids are a huge part of that.
That's right. I agree completely with you. Thanks so much for joining me today.
Thank you, Lisa.